Good morning everyone. So today we're going to be installing the long-awaited spacers for the Cayenne. We're going to be doing it on my driveway, and you can see how petty these look, all tucked in. So today is the perfect weather for that, but you know what? I was waiting out for too long, I guess, so now I just want to even on that rainy day. So for that we're gonna need to turn the ignition on, press the air suspension toggle and wait for it to start flashing. This is gonna mean that we've locked in the air suspension, and now we will be able to lift the car and the sensors are gonna be disrupted. Let's get on with that. So the front right wheel is off, and last time I've noticed that GTS came with factory, I'd say 0.5 spacers, which was very interesting. I just wanted to show you the beauties. So that's the 12mm. It's gonna go with the back. And we went with a 20 and 15mm set. Just like any other guy on the internet, I'm gonna complaining how hard this is to do everything with one hand. And that's why I believe I need a body cam. Regardless, we've managed to pull this one out. And these are the 15s. Alright, let's try them on. Beautiful. That's exactly what we needed. Alright, I'm gonna show you the final result in a second. So the moral of the story is, screw the weather, you gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, I really wanted to wash the car to see it like literally pop while it's laying low. So yeah, let's check it out. The front's gotta be a bit lower, so I'm gonna have to play with the air suspension. But so far, it's definitely an improvement. This is like a different car. Look at that. I just need to sit a little lower. But I'm really impressed how the 20 sits at the back. Maybe even 25. Yo, I want to hear in the comments what you guys think. What you guys think. On that note, gonna peace out, otherwise I'm gonna get blown with the wind. And yeah, for those who are watching, respect. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you later.